Existing systems may seem to be working. Analysts don't have all the data they would like, but they get by. Sometimes there is downtime due to out-of-date design or insufficient monitoring and maintenance of the infrastructure. A dream, a change, a new enterprise information data management environment. What a change! The environment will be well designed and maintained. Analysts will have all the data they need, and it will be valid and reliable. Every aspect of the enterprise's data will be monitored, maintained, curated, checked for quality, and cleaned if necessary. Business decisions optimally require data availability with no restrictions, allowing management good perspective on the current situation and enabling them to make informed decisions for the future. The various areas or activities on the Damer wheel correspond to the many different professions involved in the development of our data house. Data governance. An enterprise information management system should have a data governor and a data governance council consisting of various data stewards. Producing data stewards are responsible for getting new data. Using data stewards are responsible for ensuring that the BI systems get the data they need in the format they can use, and the defining data stewards work alongside the data architect to design the data models. Data governance is part of every activity. Just as every phase of the house improvement is checked by the project manager for compliance with the specifications and plan, so the members of the Data Governance Council make sure all the areas of the data project align with the specifications. Every phase is reviewed and approved. Another activity that has to follow the entire project is quality control or data quality management. For any project to succeed, quality levels need to be set and quality checks need to be taken at every step. Metadata is actually data about data. The business glossary is a vitally important element of metadata. The database schema is another. Metadata management defines the language, ontology, and terminology of the project. It is vital for the accurate communication and the avoidance of costly and time-wasting errors. The business glossary is necessary so that all the terms used in the project are understood by every person in the same way. Documents and content management. Physical and electronic files need to be stored, protected, and accessed, often in compliance with legislation such as the Protection of Personal Information Act. Examples of these less structured files are text documents, videos, emails, audio recordings, spreadsheets, and images. Data architecture. A data architect designs the subject, logical, and conceptual data models from the project specifications. The data development team will design a physical data model from the data models designed by the data architect. The database will be created from these models. Reference and master data management. Reference and master data refers to the data itself, which is stored in the physical databases. Data operations activities are performed by database administrators who install all the database software, build databases, tune and monitor them for optimal performance, and perform routine maintenance when necessary to prevent problems. The database and related code needs to be tested and stressed to make sure that it is robust enough to cope with the vast amount of data in the organization. Data security. It is vital that data remains secure. Access must be restricted to people who have authorization to use it. Data warehousing and business intelligence. The architecture of the data warehouse needs to be designed, implemented, tuned, monitored, and supported. The using data steward is responsible for ensuring the correct data is available for the BI reports. Data quality management. Business data stewards are responsible for setting the quality expectations in their departments as they are the subject matter experts. They are responsible for reviewing and approving data quality, as well as rectifying any quality issues. Conclusion. Establishing data governance where previously it was limited is daunting. Its worth will be evident at the end when management is able to access curated, trustworthy data with which to make confident decisions.